and Avaya because from last years there are more inquiries about this, so we have the solution kits about this. Okay, you can find that before that, mostly the models is from NEC, such as the SV 9000 series. So, based on this, we have our replaced models such as the OM 1000, the max for 2000 rooms, and OM 8000 is max support 10,000 rooms, and the Liulink is the platform. So same as the last solution, it can use our UMS platform, and you can add the annual valid software such as the recording and the address book, and also you can by from our PMSI you can integrate with the third party the PMS. And from the hotel side, they also may need the broadcasting or some elevator emergency calls. This also can support. And from user side, this is the same. You can use our reception phones or operator console. Here I need to say that for some AEC such as the digital phones, we are working for our digital gateways, and maybe in from next quarters our digital gateway can be launched. So that means you also can take a replace of the digital phones from NEC, the older models. We also can take a replace of that, take a reuse of that. And from the guest rooms, you can use you can add the max gateways and reuse of the NEC, the analog phones. Okay. And then this is a very classical the Avaya placement and upgrade solutions. So for the Avaya the communication managers, you can choose our on cloud. You can use the Liulink platform, or on premise you can use our OM 80,000. So for OM 80,000, we will have the details training in from Tina. I think in this Friday, you can join us if you have the project such as a 5-star project. And also for the small and the medium-sized hotel or branches, you can you can use our OM 200G series or OM 1000 series. So this solution will be this is our summary. We conclude about the solution advantages. First one is the Steam's upgrade. So it's very easy. You can upgrade from the traditional system to PBX systems. And also, you can take a reuse of the older models, such as the older NEC PBX. You can keep use, and for the analog phones or the digital phones, you can add the max or digital gateway to reuse of that. And also, it can support the centralized the management. You can add our UMS systems. And finally, so this is the last one I shared is about the hotel cloud SaaS solution. So this is we think we can call the full cloud solutions. So you can you will deploy the Linux platform in the cloud, and for the hotel side, you can directly use the Max gateways, so no need on-premise PBX. But for some hotels, they may need the high reliability, so they can install one LS local survivability gateways. So for LS50, these models, it's built in 5G and 4G and 5G models. Even the internet to cloud disconnected, you still can make the outbound calls by PSTN, or you can still buy the 5G or 4G. So this we already applied in the US market for the high volume. And for the PM side, this will be same as the on-premise side. You can use the PMS side to integrate with the third-party PMS. So for now, as we said that we already get a certificate from JDS and FCS and working with the chair. So if you have other in your markets, if there will be different brand, you can as well highly talking with us. We will be very glad to working with you to get a certificate. So this is the solution, I believe. Due to the time issues, I will quickly pass through this. After this, we will share the PowerPoint to you. You can check the details. So now is the important for the hotel solution, the product selections. So mostly for less than 200 rooms, we will recommend it you for the PBX is our OM80-A. So as we said before, Dash A means it's our new models with the full features, but with the high with the captive costs in the market. And for the more than 1,000 rooms, you can use our OM 200G. And max, you can use the OM 8,000. So it's support 10,000 rooms. That for the gateways, we have from MX 60 to MX 120G. We have so this especially for RJ21 connectors, it will help you easy to immigrate from the traditional PBX to PBX systems. And for there is for all the venue aided software from link to our attendant console or UMS. For all the softwares, you can get the test license from us. It will be free to our partners. And also we can work with you to do the demo to in the customers or work for me. I'm glad to support. And for the terminals, for one project, but sometimes maybe you already have the brand the terminals from other brand that will be also can work from our systems. Once it supports the standard SIP protocols, our system can access to our systems. But for the first choice, I still recommended our terminals because we have the multi terminals from hotel fields. Okay, so this is all about the product selections.